Hello, today I'm going to show you how to assemble the new Leifheit PowerVac 2-in-1 cordless vacuum. Let's go. There is part number 1. This is an additional part. This is a 2-in-1 brush nozzle. This we are going to use later. Let's have a look to part number 2. This is the AC adapter. This part will make the power of your battery inside your Regulus PowerVac 2-in-1 Hoover vacuum Hoover. This it is. Only switch it into the power slot and then it gives your vacuum the energy. Nice. What's next? This is the sealing nozzle. This is an additional part for your handheld device because the PowerVac is a 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner. This is awesome. Let's go to the next thing we are going to use. This is the main charging station part. It is the lower part of the charging station where your vacuum cleaner are rest in energy. This was a nice combination, isn't it? This is a heavy station because there is a big lever on top if you are getting to or into the vacuum cleaner. And this is now massive stand. And there we are going to need another part to complete this part of your cleaner. So let's have a look at the next thing. This is the floor cleaning head. This floor cleaning head is for ground contact, dust contact at the bottom side. This is built with 2 connection for the energy flow because this is built with LEDs and a dual Bristol in the center. Nice and easy thing. And this is an important thing what are going to use. And on the bottom side there are 4 wheels and these soft wheels are nice to handle. The next thing we are going to watch is the top part of your charging station. This top part is the back unit to make a massive stand to support the Regulus PowerVac 2-in-1 if the battery is loading. For assembling, put the upper part of the charger on the lower part. There are 2 locks you have to push, and at the same time you have to push it down for assembling done. Now let's have a look to the handheld and the handle part. These 2 parts are really important for your device. And of course there's another part, and this it is. All parts are now ready to install. This is the battery of the Regulus PowerVac 2-in-1. It has a duration up to 40 minutes in eco mode. There it is. This is the lithium-ion battery. Let's head back to the handle part and the handheld. There you can see these 2 parts of your vacuum cleaner. You have to rotate the grip until the upper position to lock it. Now it's time to remove the assembled handheld part by pushing on top of the button, and then remove the handheld to other optionality steps. There are two rails under the handheld, and these two rails are for the battery. In this rail, you have to push the battery until it locks. The battery must be charged fully before first use, of course. Now the battery is installed. Nice. Now assemble the handheld into the handle part. Only slide it in position and push until it locks. Now, as you can see, we are nearly done. To remove, only push the button and remove it again. But this is only a short side step, because this handheld you are going to use at your hand and short distance too. 2-in-1. Nice and easy. Now, insert the tube of the floor cleaner head into the tube of the lower part of the device until you hear it lock. Because there is one lock in the center and two electronic lines on the right and left side. Now, push it in position on a flat and solid surface and push it in position. Job's done. Installing. Nearly completed. Now, as you can see, it's a rigid as a PowerVac 2-in-1 vacuum cordless cleaner. Let's go back to the power station. Insert the coaxial power connector AC adapter of the charger into the charging socket. Easy going. And then you are able to get the energy out of the power line into your cordless vacuum cleaner. Good job. Assembling completed. Good job. Nice and easy. Insert now the device into the charger. The on and off button on the handheld blinks once a second as long as the device is charging. Once the battery is charged, the button light goes off and sequentially blinks once a minute for 30 minutes. Store the device in the charge station if you are not using it. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon. Thank you. Come again.